Now I am here, sent to bring you home. Home?
The EVP voice device, which comes without the speaker. One of the things you can do is you can plug this into anything. So plug it into your computer, laptop, whatever, import in, and then on your computer, on the internet, download Audacity. It's a free program. And then you just hit record. Right? When you hit record, turn your device on. Hello. 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 Alright. What you do, this is like a fidget device. You fidget with the magnet in front of the microphone. And it opens up the recording gate, and if Ghost speaks, you'll hear it live. Now, to use this with Audacity, you just hit record. Like so. Let's do a test. Right. That was a previous recording. Let's do a new one. It's pretty easy. You just plug it in to your EVP voice device and just speak away. And ghosts, if they talk, this will pick it up and send it to your computer, laptop, into your Audacity. Audacity. So let's hit record. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Are you a ghost? Now, if you just talk into it, it'll hardly pick up anything but your own voice. But if you fidget with it, hello. Then what you want to listen for later on is for any thing that is not fidget noise. Voices. Ghosts. Okay, let's hit stop. Stop. Now let's hit play.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Don't forget to shut off your device.
Are you good? Wait. Anything bit. What?
That's the EVP voice device. Now that might have been ghost voices or might have not. It all depends on how strong the entity will speak.
But you want to listen for later on?
Now, did you hear that? It was like chanting, Skiramon, Skiramon, some weird language. You won't always pick up English. Ghosts can speak many languages, as you heard there. Now let's hear that again. Hit play.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Are you good?
Something. Couldn't make it out. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. That's how EVP is. But at least this repeats it for you.
But you're gonna listen to it later on?
Did you hear that? That was an entity of some sorts. Couldn't make it out. So what you do is basically you can put your recording, you can highlight it, it's Audacity, and just highlight it, let go, and then hit play on Audacity. It's a very strange language. So that is definitely not English. That's an entity, a ghost, picked up by this device. Now, sometimes you'll get other entities besides English. I mean, how are you supposed to understand another language? Anyone knows what that language is? Let me know in the comments below. Listen again. Anyway, that's how phenomenal this device is. It's called the EVP voice, and that's how good it works. Now it comes in a pretty little package. Not perfect, but that's how it comes. Everything's handmade by me. Right? Yes, you just seen the housing of it, but turn it into that. And this is the prototype. Everything you're looking at is the prototype. Alright. And that's the device. What it does is it records EVP and lets you hear it live. Yes, that's correct. Live. About a 1 second to 10-second delay from when the ghost spoke. Basically a walkie-talkie with a dead. Now there's a language that it picked up, very loud. You see that? I didn't have to go into Audacity or any program to amplify it, did I? No, I just showed you live. I just took the audio, plugged it into the computer, pressed record, and what did I get? A ghost. Now you can also plug it into a speaker to hear it live. Any portable speaker, the Altec speaker from the PSP7 box, from the Spirit box, that little round one, any speaker of your choice. The Huff Paranormal portal would be perfect for this, and you would hear ghosts live. Well, you can experiment with any device you want. You can even hook it up into an audio recorder, because it comes with an audio jack. You can do anything like this to anything. RM, you name it. Just use your imagination. And this will bring in ghosts live. You'll hear it live in direct. Like, hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm good. Is your name Bob? Yes. No. Now, it all depends on if the entity decides to talk. If he doesn't, it's 50-50. They sometimes do, sometimes they don't. And in this case, did not speak English. Sometimes you get hours of nothing. And sometimes you get hours of non-stop chitter-chatter of real ghosts. Now that's definitely not English. Yeah, I don't know if anyone out there understands that language. Let's play again. Steramon, Sterabro? I have no idea. but whatever it's saying, it's definitely not English. Anybody out there knows that language? Leave the comments below. Alright, that's EVP voice. That's how you can use EVP voice with Audacity. Alright, have fun. If you want to buy this device, it's not perfectly made, but it works. And the link is in the description. If the link sell page does not lead you to this purchase of this device, then come back next month to the same video, the same link. And I should have it up there by then. If not, email me through the YouTube channel. It has the website of the company, www.paranormalbusters.com. There you can email me and then I'll let you know when it's available. Right, thank you. Have fun.
Okay, alright. What you're looking at here is the EVP voice device. The one you just seen on taken apart. Now here it is all together. That's what it'll look like. Now yours will come nice. Mine is it won't come in a project box like this. Probably be something thicker. Probably all black. It all look different. If it's for sale, check out the link below this video, and that'll lead you to the sale page. What it does is it lets you hear ghost voices live, EVP electronic voice phenomena. It's not perfect, but it picks up ghost voices better than any audio recorder, and lets you hear them live. About a 1 second delay. So this is the microphone. Now it comes with a there's a magnet on the back here, as you can see. It comes with a magnet like in this spot, which once you remove is hard to stay in this spot, but that's how it comes. You have to pry it out the first time. Pry it out, and it comes with a hook. So when you're doing your EVP investigations, you can hook it up. You can hang it anywhere you want. Now, this is our company logo, Paranormal Busters logo. Now, there's two versions of this. There's one with just plain logo, microphone, and the project case. Project case may not look like this, but they all work the same, except this one lets you hear ghost voices really loud, from the below 20 hertz to the normal hearing level. It comes with some of my devices come with audio in and audio out, so you can plug it into an external speaker of any of your choice, the Altec speaker, any speaker you want, so that you can hear it loud. Plug it into anywhere. And you can also plug this into there'll be an audio jack out on some of my devices that you can hear anything from an outsource. You can plug in microphones of any of your choice, audio recorders, experimental is up to you. So there's an audio in and an audio out on some of the devices. This one's called the EVP voice. That's what this one's called, because it brings in EVP voices below the human hearing to a hearing level. And without this microphone, just that, looking like that, it's the EVP talk. Now, this device will cost $1,000 plus, because it brings in ghost voices live. I mean, when's the last time you've seen a device that can let you hear ghost voices live? Right there at the moment, you can talk to the dead. I've demonstrated on the video with the guts opened up. This is what it'll look like. Now, the magnet on the back is to open the gate, the recording gate, the communication